Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Molly. Today's video is going to be fun and a little bit hectic just because I'm a little bit on a time frame. Mine and Cody's 1-year wedding anniversary is on January 30th and it is currently January 14th and I need to get his box in the mail to him like yesterday. I do have a couple little last minute things that I need to pick up. I thought it would be fun to kind of bring you guys along on this journey of making this care package. Like I said, it might be a little bit hectic, but it's gonna be fun. So Gracie is asleep right now. She's down for her afternoon nap, and as soon as she wakes up, we are gonna go to Target. But if you guys are interested on learning how I like to make care packages, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we made it to Target and I am about to go inside the store. I probably won't film in there because I'm not on that level yet. So I'll tell you my plan of attack. I'm going to go to the dollar spot section because there's always a bunch of fun like random things in there. I'm going to go into the food section because there's a couple like little snack like things that I'm gonna get. And then I'm probably gonna go look at the clearance racks too because let's face it, why not? All right, so we are back from Target. I wish everything happened as fast as it does in a YouTube video. That would make my life a lot easier. Just be like, pop, I'm here, pop, I'm there. But yes, so I'm gonna do a little mini Target haul for you guys just to kind of show you what I got. So to wrap up his little presents, I just got tissue paper, just has these little red hearts on it. Next, I got this cute little Scrabble letter set. It says, I love you always and forever. And then I also got these cute little stickers. And then, Cody, if you're watching, skip this part or stop watching. This is more kind of like little random gifts that I'm gonna put in the box besides like his main anniversary gift. He absolutely loves the Kodiak cakes. If you don't know what they are, they're basically like healthy pancake mix stuff, but I just got him the buttermilk flavor and then his ultimate favorite flavor, which is the dark chocolate. I also got him, I just thought these were like too funny so I had to buy them, but they're like these boxer briefs and they just have like these bucks on them. I thought that was funny and he loves hunting, so it's perfect. I also got him this honey vanilla chamomile tea. And then last but not least, I got him a Dunder Mifflin Paper Company shirt. So yes, that is everything I got from Target. Now it's time to get this box decorated. But first, I need to eat something because I am literally starving. Okay, so now that I have acquired everything all together and Miss Gracie May has finally laid down for her nap, I'm just gonna go over my main supplies that I use whenever I make my care packages. Everybody does this differently. Everybody has their own strategy. I swear these aren't ghosts. It's like dust or like dog hair or something. I don't know, guys. Anyways. Okay, so everybody has their own strategy on what works best for them on how they make care packages. So this is just mine. Pretty much what I use to assemble my whole entire box is obviously like scissors and tape. I'm gonna need to get another roll of tape. This one's almost empty. Then of course you're gonna need paper. So I had bought this giant thing of scrapbook paper back when I was working on Cody's holiday boxes. So this is what I have. So this is what I'm gonna use as well. But it just has like all these different patterns, so it's a little bit holiday-ish, but it's just gonna have to work. And then I also just have like some basic construction paper. But yeah, and then of course, most important in your list of things that you need for your care package, obviously a box. The best way to go about sending a package is using a priority flat rate box. It is going to be the same price to ship it no matter what the weight inside of it is. There's no limitations to it. It is just going to be the $18 or whatever it is to ship this box. And also something that I recently learned is on the large US flat rate boxes, you do get a military discount. You can actually go on the USPS website and request a military like mailing package package. Now, this is really cool because it sends you, I want to say like 2 large boxes, like a medium box and a small box. It sends you packing tape and customs forms and basically everything you need to ship a box overseas. If you are a military spouse, I highly recommend doing that. So now all you need to do is kind of just figure out what you're going to do with your box. Like I said, mine is for an anniversary box, so I'm probably going to try to make it like kind of cutesy, lovey-dovey. I might look on Pinterest here and kind of try to like brainstorm a little bit. Pinterest is literally your best friend. I will link my Pinterest down below, and I have a whole board dedicated to care packages, ones that I use for kind of like brainstorm purposes. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, I will have that in the description below. So yeah, I'm gonna look really quick, see what I can find, and then I will catch up with you guys and kind of let you know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so it's a little bit later, and I think I've kind of figured out what I'm going to do. So I guess I'm just gonna kind of start working on it and kind of see where it goes. I have like a general idea, but I'm just gonna let the care package tell me what to do. Okay, so this is going to be the angle. I'm probably not going to explain too much while I'm making it, so I'll probably just throw some music over this. But after I get kind of like halfway there, I'll check in with you guys and we'll see how it's going. So here we go. You guys, this is what I have so far. I just used that little kind of like gray plaid pattern, and that is going to be the base of my box. So I am going to kind of do like an inner square of just like this white here and write something on it. Alright, so this is what I have. I just put these little hearts right here and right here. So I think I'm just gonna write happy anniversary. So I am starting to lose my light a little bit, guys, so I'm apologizing in advance. But for the bottom of my box, I'm gonna just use this kind of like wood, like, I think that's wood. Almost like kind of cork. I don't know. I think it reminds me of like cork board. So I'm going to put this at the bottom of the box and probably put a picture of us down on that too. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Alrighty, you guys. So this is kind of what I have going on so far. As you can see, I put those little Scrabble letters on the top and the bottom where I had put like that kind of like double layer. I was originally gonna write on there, but I kind of like the way this looks better. And then I think I'm just gonna go do some pictures, maybe like 2 pictures right here. And then the picture in the middle. So it's like at the bottom. I need to glue these on and then we'll decide pictures, I guess. Okay guys, this is what I'm going to be doing. Just like I said, need to glue down these letters and tape down the pictures, but I think this is the gist of what it's gonna look like. I like it. I think it's really cute and I really like the gray plaid. so it is the next day, and disclaimer, excuse my hair, it's a mess. And I was able to successfully finish the package last night, and I did show you kind of like a little like sneak peek glimpse of it, but I did want to show it one more time today in like better lighting, because last night the lighting was just not great. But yeah, so I just wanted to show that to you. It does have like some gifts and stuff like that on the inside of it, and I'm not going to take them out because I have it somehow strategically all placed in there because it borderline didn't almost all fit. So you won't see the very bottom, but yeah, so I'm just going to show you the flaps again really quick, and then yeah, that is going to wrap up today's video. So before I end this, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and then of course don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below so you can see all of my future videos. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye guys.